In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Google VO3 subscription. This guide will make the process easy and straightforward, so let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to head over to Google Gemini. This is where you'll manage most of your settings related to your subscription. If you're not familiar with Google Gemini, it's essentially a hub where you can control various features and services linked to your Google account. Once there, you'll want to log in using your Google credentials. Make sure you have those handy, your email and password, so you're ready to go. This is essential because without logging in, you won't be able to access the necessary settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you'll see the menu icon. Give that a click. It's your gateway to all the functional options available at your fingertips. After accessing the menu, scroll down and look for the option labeled Settings and Help. This section is like your control center for adjusting various account details and getting assistance, should you need it. Next, you'll be looking for View Subscriptions. Selecting this will bring you to a detailed list of all your active and inactive subscriptions. It's a good place to review what you're currently signed up for, in case you want to cancel anything else later on. With the subscription list in front of you, navigate to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find Settings once more. It might sound repetitive, but this Settings button is specifically designed for your subscriptions. Click it, and you're closer to wrapping this up. Now, scan through the menu options and find Cancel Membership. This is the option you've been working towards. Once you select it, the system might ask for a confirmation. It's their way of ensuring you didn't hit that by mistake. Confirm your cancellation by following the prompts provided. This is often a single click or confirmation, but take a moment to read any final messages. They might offer additional perks or ask for feedback on why you're leaving, but you can skip through these if you're sure about your decision. And just like that, you've successfully canceled your Google VO3 subscription. It's a simple process, but each step is crucial to ensuring you're not left paying for a service you no longer need. Remember to check your email for a confirmation message of your cancellation. It's always good practice to keep that on hand just in case you need to reference it in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you out. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and walkthroughs.